Well, why would you not care? Everyone else is using it, everyone else is moving faster and cheaper by using AI technologies, and they're going to gain a competitive advantage. So if you don't get on the train soon enough, you're going to be left behind. Well, AI cannot still design entire buildings, but it is true that certain aspects, more and more aspects of the architectural design process are being automated using AI tools. So, my advice to you is that the sooner you leverage AI tools in your design workflows as an architect, the faster you will create better designs that will be at the cutting edge of technology. You will make your processes more efficient, and in general, it will put you ahead of the pack. Well, largely oversimplifying the issue, machine learning is a subcategory of artificial intelligence, but if you really want to know the details of how this works and the difference between the two, I really recommend that you sign up for the program. Well, it most certainly is a form of AI, just like many other models that are available out there. And it's one that, even though it's text based, surprisingly, it can also help you in how to design the built environment.